Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with respect to questions pertaining to the quantitative aptitude section of the paper. So this year around, if we talk about the QA section in general, we have seen that the pattern of the question this year that has been asked and also the kind of questions that we have seen this year seem to be a little bit on the difficult side as compared to previous year's paper. That is, the question which has been asked this year round, they seem to be a little bit on the trickier side as they require more in-depth understanding of the subject matter to solve them, and also the questions were more time consuming and calculation intensive as well. So in this video what we'll be doing is we'll take a look at the particular question from the paper itself. We'll try and identify the approach of the same and subsequently solve the same so that we can get a general idea on how to go about solving each question. Okay, so having said that, let's take a look at the question at hand. The cable of length 72 meter is cut into 4 pieces such that the length of the shortest piece is 20% of the length of the longest piece. Okay, if the sum of the length of the remaining 2 pieces is equal to the sum of the length of the shortest piece and longest piece, then find the length in meter of the longest piece. So let's try and understand this. Okay, suppose we have a cable. Okay, so say this is my cable. This has been cut into 4 pieces: 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece and 4 piece. Okay, this is the shortest, this is the longest, and these two are equal pieces. Okay, and now shortest piece to longest piece, the ratio is given 20%. So let's try and solve this. Let shortest piece, the length of shortest piece 20% the length of longest piece. Okay, my bad. Let me take longest piece. Longest piece equal to x centimeter. So therefore shortest piece is 20% of the length. Therefore shortest piece is equal to 0.2x centimeter, and the equal pieces will be 1.2 x cm each. Okay, so therefore since all these 4 comprise of the entire length, then we can write actually x plus 0.2x plus 2.4x, because 1.8 to 1.2 equal to 72, or we can write 3.6x is equal to 72, or we can write 36 by 10, so 36, 72, or so that way this becomes 2 and x turns out to be 20 meter. Okay, x turns out to be 20 meter. So therefore longest side or the longest piece okay, my bad guys, it's given sum of the length of the 2 remaining pieces. Sum of the length, the sum of the length of the 2 remaining pieces. Okay, sorry, I made a mistake over here. Hang on. It's given sum of the length of the 2 remaining pieces. Okay, these are not 2 remaining pieces, these are not equal pieces. Okay, so remaining pieces, okay, RR. So therefore sum of remaining pieces will be 1.2x meter. Okay, these are all in meters. My bad. Okay, so therefore now we can say x plus 0.2x plus 1.2x is equal to 72. Yes, so 1.4, so this will be 2.4x equal to 72, or we can write this as 72 by 2.4, that would turn out to be x equal to 30 meter. So therefore longest piece will be 30 meter. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you how we came about with the solution of the same. So in case you have any kind of doubt with respect to the approach involved we have taken to solving the same, kindly go through the video a couple of times and then subsequently try and solve the question on your own to get a general idea on how we came about with the solution of the same. Okay, try to solve this question on your own, keeping the video as a reference. Okay, that should be more than enough for you to understand the concepts involved. Okay, having said that, in case you're looking to get yourself a detailed solution of the entire paper, feel free to connect with us. For that, what you can do is go through the description of the video where you'll find a bunch of our credentials like our website URL, our email addresses, our phone numbers for call, text or WhatsApp. Feel free to connect with us on any of those medium, whichever is convenient to you. You can get in touch with us on any of these. So whichever convenient to you, you have any kind of doubt with respect to your exam preparation guidance in strategies or subject or topic wise doubt that you need our expertise with, feel free to connect with us on those lines. Okay, having said that, in case you like the video, make sure like and subscribe to the channel so that we keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line as well. We'll be continuing our discussion similar to questions in the subsequent videos. Until then, I'm signing out. Thank you so much.